my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Muntazir Hussain. In my previous video, I have shown you how you can use the plagiarism checker acts to detect as well as to generate the similarity report of your document. In this session, I'm interested to show you how you can use the freely available online small SEO tool to check the plagiarism in your article, thesis, document, and report, and how you can generate the similarity report using these tools. Furthermore, I will show you an interesting feature of small SEO tool that you can use to reduce the plagiarism in your article. So before showing how you can use the small SEO tool to check as well as generate and reduce the plagiarism in your article, let's first briefly discuss what is plagiarism. Plagiarism means taking or writing another person's idea or work without giving credit to that person. Furthermore, we can say that giving incorrect information about the source of work is also a kind of plagiarism. It means that you are copying or discussing the idea of one person and giving the credit to another person, or citing the work of another person. So it is also a type of plagiarism. Furthermore, we can say that changing the word but copying the structure of the sentence from a source is also types of plagiarism. And using the project from the previous class for the current assignment is also a plagiarism. And we can say that copying so many word data or idea from a source that make up the majority of your project or word is the serious plagiarism in your document. So hence we can say that plagiarism is the misinterpretation of information, stealing of idea as well as data of another person. So plagiarism is a fraud, cheating, as well as academic dishonesty. So in case of plagiarism, you may stand to face serious penalties including legal action, monetary restitution, as well as fine. Furthermore, the plagiarism may damage your reputation. So in my previous video, I have explained what is plagiarism checker acts, how you can download, install, as well as track the setup of the plagiarism checker acts, and then how you can use the plagiarism checker acts to detect as well as to generate the similarity report for your document. I will provide the link of that video in the description of this video. So in today's video tutorial, I'm interested to show you the interesting feature of the small SEO tool, and furthermore I will explain how you can detect the plagiarism, generate the plagiarism report, rewrite the plagiarized content using the small SEO tool. Before showing you how you can detect, generate, and reduce the plagiarism in your article, let's first briefly discuss what is small SEO tool. The small SEO tool is an entire setup of equipment that help you to check as well as to detect the plagiarism in your research paper, blogs, assignment, and document. Furthermore, you can use the small SEO tool to generate the similarity report as well as to reduce the plagiarized content in your document automatically just in one click. However, it is important to note that the small SEO tool is the freely available tool and it imposes some of the limitation while checking plagiarism of your document. That is, you can check the plagiarism of your document that should contain equal to or less than 1000 words. If you are interested to check the plagiarism of document that contain a large number of words, then you can split your document into multiple documents and then you can check the plagiarism of each document individually. These are some other features of small as SEO tool. The first is the content writing and text tool. You can use this tool to check the grammar, spelling mistake, and typo mistake in your document. You can also use this tool to rewrite your document, count the word in article. Furthermore, this tool can be used to encrypt your text. The second tool is the keyword suggestion and optimization tool. This tool can be used to suggest the keyword for your document as well as for optimization purpose. The third is the backlink checker tool. The fourth is the domain and page authority checker, and the fifth one is the website tracking and management tool. The sixth tool of the small SEO tool can be used to edit the image as well as to work with the PDF format to convert the document from the PDF format into some other formats such as Word, PPT, Excel, etc. And the seventh tool provide the conversion of unit and binary. You can convert the unit from one scale to another scale, as well as you can convert the data from the binary to the decimal number, to the hexadecimal number, and octal number. And the online calculator can be used for the mathematical calculation as well as for the age calculation. Recently, an interesting design studio has been integrated in the small SEO tool that can be used to design the logo, brochure, flyer design, as well as event card. So now I will show you how you can use the small SEO tool to detect the plagiarism as well as to generate the plagiarism report, and furthermore to how you can reduce the plagiarism of your article. So for plagiarism checking, just write the plagiarism checker small SEO tool in your search bar, or you can simply copy and paste this URL in your search bar. So now I will practice that how you can use the small SEO tool to check the plagiarism, to generate the similarity report, and furthermore how you can reduce the plagiarized content in your document. So just open your browser and write small SEO tool, and then click on the first option. So this is the website of small SEO tool that provide some other feature as well, such as plagiarism checking, grammar checking, spelling checking, working with image, logo design, calculating the internet speed, and determining the IP address of your internet, as well as keyword suggestion and optimization tool. You can use this tool to convert the PDF document into Word document and Word document into PDF, and for the age calculation as well as for the scale conversion. So I'm interested in checking the plagiarism of my document. So there are two methods. The first method is to copy and paste the document in this box in order to detect the plagiarism. And the second method, you can upload your document just by clicking this upload a document. And you can upload the document in multiple formats such as .tex, .txt, and .docs file, docs, .odt, .pdf, and .rtf format. You can upload your document from your local storage, as well as you can import your document from the cloud, either from Dropbox as well as from Google Drive. You can also use this tool to check the plagiarism of a web page just by inserting the URL of that page over here. So now I will upload one of my document in order to check the plagiarism of my document. So as you can see, my document is now uploading to the website, and this is my document. So it is important to note that the word in your document should be less than 1000 word, and currently my document contains 999 word. So I'm interested to check the plagiarism of my document. So just click this box, and then I can either check the plagiarism as well as check the grammar. So I'm interested in checking the plagiarism. So just hit check plagiarism button. So as you can see, the plagiarism checking is now started. My document is now scanning against the billion and million of web pages that are available online, and the percentage scale is the percentage scale is shown over here, and the unique content as well as the plagiarized content will be shown for my document. So as you can see, the plagiarism result of my document is shown over here. 100% of my document is scanned, and the plagiarized content is 2%, and the unique content is 98%. And this is the sentence-wise result of my document. Furthermore, you can see that the green highlighted shows the unique content, and the plagiarized content is shown by red highlight. It also provides the information about the source from which this content is being copied. So now I can download the similarity report, as well as I can share this report just by clicking this share report. So I will download my report just by clicking this download report. My report will be automatically downloaded. So hence, this is the similarity report generated by the small SEO tool. As you can see, the word count is 999, and this is the information about the date, I excluded URL as well as the character. Furthermore, the plagiarism is found in my document is 2% and the unique content is 98%. Only one sentence is plagiarized and 52% were found unique. So this is the report of my document. Furthermore, you can see that the plagiarized content is highlighted in red and this is the source of the plagiarism. So this is how you can use the small SEO tool to check the plagiarism of your document. So now I'm interested to check that whether the small SEO tool detect the content or not. So I have copied the abstract of my research paper that is published in Eurocomputing Journal that is available online at Science Direct. So now I will check the plagiarism of my document that contains some of the plagiarized content that is being copied from one of my research paper. So now I will upload my new document that contains some of the plagiarized content that I have copied from one of my research paper. And now I will check the plagiarism of this new document just by clicking this box and then check plagiarism. So I will compare this document that contains some of the plagiarized content with the original document and I will check that whether or not the small SEO tool detect the source of the plagiarism or not. So as you can see, my new document is scanning and checking for plagiarism. So this is the plagiarized content and this is the unique content in my document. So as you can see, the plagiarism checking is now completed and the plagiarism found in my new document that contains some of the plagiarized content. Some of the data that I have copied from one of my research papers. So hence you can see that now the plagiarism in my document is increased up to 14% and the unique content is decreased that is 86%. If you compare this with the previous document, in the previous document the plagiarism were 4% and the unique content were 98%, whereas the new document that contains some of the plagiarized content contain the 14% plagiarism and the unique content is 86%. And this is the sentence-wise result of my new document. The unique content is shown by green color and the plagiarized content is shown by red color. Furthermore, you can check the detail of the source as well just by clicking this compare, and then the small SEO tool will direct you to the source of the plagiarism. So as you can see, the small SEO tool has detected the source that is Science Direct. You can see the further detail of the source. So this is the same paper from which I have copied the abstract of the paper. So hence this is verified that the small SEO tool has successfully detected the plagiarism in my document. So now I will show you how you can use the small SEO tool to rewrite the plagiarized content. So just by clicking this rewrite plagiarized content and then again click this rewrite article. So as you can see, the rewriting is now in process. The small SEO tool is rewriting my document and this is the rewrite version of my document. The small SEO tool will quickly rewrite your document and will change the plagiarized content with some unique word, and now you can download the rewrite version of your document. You can also print this rewrite document, and furthermore you can compare this rewrite document with the original one just by clicking this original view original. So this is my original document at the right side and this is the new rewrite document at the left side. So now I will check the plagiarism of this rewrite document in order to see that the plagiarized content in this rewrite document is reused or not. So just click on this check plagiarism and then again take this box and hit this check plagiarism button. So hence you can see that my rewriting document is scanned for plagiarism and Now the plagiarism found in my rewrite document is 10% and the unique content is 90%. If we compare this rewrite document with the previous document, so hence you can see that the previous document contained 14% plagiarized content and the unique content is 86%, whereas the rewrite document contain less plagiarism, that is 10%, and the unique content is 90%. So hence we can see that the small SEO tool has reduced the plagiarism in my document. So in today's video tutorial, I have explained how you can use the small SEO tool to check the plagiarism in your article, thesis, document, and report, and how to generate the plagiarism report using these tools, and furthermore, how we can use the interesting feature of a small SEO tool to reduce the plagiarism in your article. In my next video, I will show you some other online free plagiarism checking technique. Thank you very much for your time. Please feel free to ask your question and suggestion. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hopefully see you in my next video. Thank you very much.